Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our new speedometer cable for the 80 to 86 Ford trucks and Broncos. As these 80s models start to show their age, parts start to wear or break completely, as is the case with the speedometer cables on the 80 to 86 trucks and Broncos. Our cable fits the four-wheel drive models with automatic or manual transmissions. Made from high-quality materials, they feature a steel core with a plastic housing for protection from moisture. Our cables are a direct replacement and fit and function just like the originals. They include the retaining bracket that mounts to the transmission for a trouble-free installation. So if the speedometer on your 80 to 86 truck or Bronco is malfunctioning, you can now replace your cable with an exact fit replacement. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.